Alaskan recipes. Carrot and ginger soup. Here's the recipe.
Today we were making a carrot soup.
Julia was teaching us the recipe today.
It was her own homemade recipe.
Peel carrots.
Okay, so that's our first step. Should we do that one?
Why do we have to peel the carrots first?
Well, there's two reasons. One is because sometimes late season carrots, the skins can be kind of tough and bitter, but also it's a good way to get the dirt off the carrot, because if you look closely, even these washed carrots have a little bit of grit.
We had to read the recipe as we went along.
It's probably better to let a grown-up do the chopping.
And then after that, we put them in the oven.
There we go. All right. And what this is right here is some sourdough bread with some herbs in it, and we're gonna put this on top of our soup.
First we had to whip them up into like this big, and then we baked them. Grate 1 teaspoon ginger.
All right, beautiful.
I got to try a little bit of ginger. It was super strong, but it was kind of yummy.
Asking questions about the recipe helped us understand it better.
It's great that you guys ask so many questions as you go along, because really, cooking is a lot like chemistry or science.
Then we blended everything together.
And then that made kind of like a soup, and then we put the crouton bread on top of it. Why is it so crunchy?
Because in the oven, the heat dries it out.
It was pretty good.
The final flavor tasted pretty sweet, but it tastes nice with the croutons all together.
It was really fun because we had some friends around.
Masicho! Thanks for